Yo, what up, people? It's a vlog today. We're doing a vlog. We're going to the farm. We're packing right now. Well, we're only staying a day, but I always bring a day bag. We're gonna go check on the goats. We're gonna go make sure the fences are good. Well, actually, I don't know. I'm just trying to sound cool and add extra stuff. We're just checking goats' water, getting a bale of hay, and maybe shoot something. See you on the road. Woo! Just kidding. We're gonna go look at the bag first because I brought cool stuff. Gotta go pick up the juice box. Mila, Pila. Mila, baby girl. Mila, baby. Mila, say what's up to the vlog. Okay, you ready to escape? You don't get to escape. Just kidding. Wham. Oh, upside down. Wham. Bag secured. Boom. Camera. Toiletries. Shoes. Just in case. Well, I always bring extra stuff in case, I want to spend the night. But the AC no worky. So we're also going out there. Goats, water, hay, AC. Truck got an upgrade since the last video. Is that gangster or what? Dude, this duffel bag also turns into a backpack. But I gotta get in the truck. Oh, check the sticker bombs out. Crawfish, KSP, DJI, Yeti, Dexcom, because I have diabetes. Funny. Oh, hey, whoa.
Hello,
what up?
everybody. Oh, what up?
We're bag secured. Had to go get ammo for the 224 at the barn.
Up?
What up?
Who's that lady?
That's Rose and River. Oh, I done just dropped the ammo. Now we're on our way to the farm in the truck, bag secured, gun, all that. About to head out. We made it to the farm. Wham. About to go check on the goats, get hay, do the AC. We got the hay trailer. About to go get the hay and then go pay the guy. We got Eddie here. Look how aggressive this goat is. Look at him sneezing. Whoa. Yeah. Why are you so aggressive, Eddie? Come on, Eddie. Little earlobe tap, little earlobe tap. Wachoo! Eddie, come at me.
He's big. I bet he weighs 250 pounds.
I know, it's huge. Dude, that scared me. Woo! It's hot. It's 105 right now. Eddie's still as crazy as ever. We're taking the money to the hay guy right now. We're about to work on the AC, and it is hot. I'm sweating in places I never knew I could sweat. But yeah. Little quick black smoke for y'all people out there. I hope y'all are enjoying so far. I know it's random, but it's the farm. I do not think we're not going hunting tonight. We are gonna do all this and then head home. Oh, have to run off the road. We're gonna head home because it's too hot. AC doesn't work, and it is hot. I know I've said that like 78 times, but we checked the water. The water's good. After I stopped recording, Eddie tried to lick me, and I did not feel safe. He tried to lick me. I'm gonna call the cops. Just kidding. I bought this Apple Watch off of a crackhead. I got it for like 20 bucks. It's not a real Apple Watch because there's no Apple symbol, but it works just like an Apple Watch, but it's dead right now. But like, it was pimped, so now it's my pocket watch. Don't know why I'm showing y'all, but I just thought y'all wanted to see the cool Apple Watch I got. I also got seasoning. Oh, as I'm about to run off the road, got the seasoning. Wow. Oh, we're taking a right. We gotta take wide turns because these new wheels, they rub on the left side. Wide turns. Wide. Super wide. Super duper. Oh, we off the road again. Oh. 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 Woo. We're safe. All right. Now we're on a normal path here. This is a private road, so the speedometer is not real. We're actually in kilometers right now on a private road. So, and just like that, we're already back. Probably gonna rub. Oh, look at that, smooth as butter. Bam, another private road, double privates on the private roads. This is the field. Field on field action. Oh, almost dropped the phone. Sick montage time in 3, 2, 1. Working on the AC. It's so hot, dude. We put a commercial AC on the house. Works like a charm. Well, did work like a charm. Now it's bugging out. So we bought a new piece. And this is a big thing of electrical tape. Holy moly. Dang. We're on top of the world. Oh. We're way up here. This is kind of scary. Not even that high, but you can see everything. We're headed back home. Completed everything. We're about to head home. Stop and get a drink at the Pit Stop 114. Place has been here forever. Forever. We made it back. We're at PK right now. Low-key, I forgot to film that we made it back. But thank y'all so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna start, well, I say that every time, I'm gonna start posting more. And I never post more. So maybe I'll start posting more. But thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all liked the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.